Hello everyone watching. Today we are in Booking Genie's office and we have Sibasis sir with us, the founder CEO Booking Genie, and we'll be talking about the post-COVID era, the new normal new that we are talking about. Sir, how do you think hotel industry is shaping up, and what is the normal new in the post-COVID era?
Okay, so hi all. In my opinion, we have already started you know, uh, the beginning of the end kind of. We have seen, hotels opening up with 30% occupancy allowed in the hotel. So though people are not traveling, but the industry voice is that first traveling will start in terms of driving your own car to the nearest destination and avoiding flying. So the new normal will be drive instead of fly. Travelers today will take their family to the nearest destination, which will be maybe 100. They will drive extra 100 kilometers to go to that destination. However, they will not prefer a public transport or aircraft to travel today. These destinations will open up first, and people will love to go there, hang around for a couple of days, because all this while shutdown and lockdown was happening, people human being is a social animal, so they need to travel and they need to have fun meeting their friends or relatives. So definitely I see a lot of travel in the card, and essentially for India perspective, Indian domestic travel will definitely boom because uh, you know taking example of my family, I will not take my family or friends or loved ones abroad, that is outside India. So we will try to travel in India. So those people who had a calendar set for every year to travel outside India, they will now travel more in within India. So that will be uh, the new normal again. So I see a big boom coming on the hotel industry in India at least.
Sir, right now every industry is coming back to shape, and how soon do you think hotel industry is going to come back to their normalcy?
So I have been going through various reports, including Boston Consulting Group and uh, PricewaterhouseCoopers. A lot of research has been done by ICMR as well. First thing that comes to my mind is only when the vaccine will come out, then the people in large will feel safe to travel. Until then, it is hard to predict what kind of traveling will happen. But these pockets, as I said in the previous question of yours, so these pockets will be definitely fulfilled with this kind of travelers that will be traveling. Uh, Hard to say right now, but industry experts that mentor us, or we believe in them. So they say September is one point wherein traveling might start. Another point is January, wherein traveling might start. But To get into the previous occupancy that the hotels were, so it will be, we can comfortably wait till March 2021, when we get it back to those kind of revenue, those kind of occupancy, those kind of business in travel. So that is what we have to wait, until September, when we'll be more clear, or any time when the vaccine comes in between. Then we see again normalcy happening.
Since you are a technology enthusiast, and we in Booking Genie are a technology company serving hotels, um, how do you think we can reshape the industry with our technology products?
Well, I think the vision of Booking Genie when we started in 2017 was clearly to empower hotels, and how we can hoteliers be more productive, and how can guests get more experience out of the hotel. So with that vision, we had a product line or product vision that we had. We were looking at the initial, we call it the hygiene products for the hotel that we were working on. And now Thanks to this COVID and the pandemic lockdown that happened, our revenue also dropped. Like since we are directly proportional to hotel industry, so we also dropped our revenue. Likewise, the hotels did. But what we thought that the products that we were bringing, from 18 months from now or 24 months from now, we empowered our technology team. We try to bring those, prepone those products and launch them by August. So when we see that by September, people, hotels relaunch themselves or the post-COVID travel started, so we can provide a hotelier with a complete solution wherein they can safely treat safely give experience to the hotels. For example, lesser we people traveling henceforth will look forward for lesser of touch points. They will be relying on mobile payments, mobile check-ins, seamless check-ins, ordering from restaurants to direct to room service, having not losing that experience of eating in the restaurant, uh, ensuring that social distance is maintained in spas, in restaurants, so you can have the ability to book in advance. For example, you can visualize the room actually which you are living. The windows, what kind of view the rooms are. The ambience the room sees or the view of the room. So these things we are put together in one product and we are bringing up by August this year.
Right.
And technologically, this was our vision that how can we empower hotels. That's what we are starting to do, and slowly layer after layer, these products will surface post August this year.
So are you saying, sir, you are going to help hotels at the same time you are going to give a better experience to the guests of the hotel?
Yes. So primarily, till now we were a B2B organization, wherein in the entire traveler space, if you look at, we were more focused on the supply side of the travel business, that is the hotelier. And but when we started, even when those days, we had a vision of getting into the demand side, that is the traveler. So as we speak today, every hotel tech industry or travel tech industry in this globe always looks at how a traveler can get a cheaper room. So we are one of the first company that believe that how can the hotelier earn more? How can we impact their bottom line and the top line as well? So and we saw huge, huge players who are intermediaries in this entire travel space. So we had a vision of how can we enhance more and more direct booking for hotel, which will eventually make the hotel room cheaper. In the long run, if you see, because every time the hotel showcases the rates into the market, they also add up to the intermediary fees, the payment gateway fees. Everything is integrated to a whole lot of. It comes to almost from 15% to 40% of loading that happens on the room price to get it distributed in the market. So we strongly believe that if we could connect the story of the room with the story of the traveler, and in a very seamless way. So this 40% or as I said, 15 to 40% across geographies and across demographics, we could empower hotel to save this money for them. So whether the traveler saves that money or the hotel saves that money, that is immaterial. But as in general, traveler will be cheaper, more experiential, more faster. So that is what we look at.
Right. So the experience of the guest is getting smoother, and what do you think? You also pointed about the drive-in locations. How can we reach those destinations with smaller resorts, with a homestay? What can we do for that?
So very interesting question there. So this is what we thought. How can we again empower these smaller hotels, this pocket a standalone resort somewhere in Aurangabad or in Karjat,
Yes.
or on a three-star city kind of, you look at somewhere in, not exactly in Ooty, but maybe 30 kilometers away from Ooty, so where a Bangalore guy can drive, somewhere in the mid of Bandipur, that's a tiger resort there. So we try to create communities of travelers, and we empower them with our one of our technology product, which we call it Genie Trails. So Genie Trail will interestingly map these hotels with the kind of experience they get by traveling that trail.
Right.
So let's say from a hub that is maybe in Bangalore or Bombay or Pune or Gurgaon, they travel to that particular trail, and within that trail they cover, let's say, 400 to 600 kilometers, and they are driving their car all by themselves. So they have the ability to stop at anywhere, pause, make a detour at a certain point, take a walk, or maybe they can take cycle somewhere. So this whole lot of experience we are creating with a Genie Trail, wherein he will definitely go and stay in one of the hotel, which is the marquee hotel he is looking at. But we wanted to enrich this experience while he reaches the hotel and while he comes back from the hotel to the home. Right. So that's essentially what we are doing through Genie Trails. So we are piloting currently in the northeast. So with Siliguri, Guwahati, Agartala, all this in place, and we would very soon scale it up to other states as well. So we are looking at northeast. Once it's very successful there, we will put it to all the hub that is near to Delhi, so that Delhi people can drive to those trails, and similarly in the south, so Bangalore people can drive to those trails. So that's the experiential part of empowering. So two things happens here. The hotel can create that community of travelers for them, and give them an immense kind of experience while they visit the hotel as well.
Really interesting times coming up, sir. I think we have a long way to go, but the traveler is soon going to go to the destinations they have always been hoping for, and Booking Genie is finding the right products for that. Thank you so much for the time, and I'm sure we are going to reach that point.
Thanks, Dev, for taking this time for this particular vlog that we are creating. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.